Hadley, what are we going to draw today?
Lost kitties.
Yeah, we're going to draw these cute little lost kitties. If you haven't seen them before, it's a cute little toy that's a kitten, and it comes in this milk carton. And what else comes in that box?
Accessories.
Accessories, and it also comes with this little thing of Play-Doh. That's why we like him so much.
Yeah.
Comes with Play-Doh and a kitten, a cute kitten. So we're at the very end of this video, we're going to open up this box to see which one we got. And also, we're going to open this guy. He's huge, huh? I don't know what comes in this thing. I think there's a lot more.
You didn't tell me.
It was a surprise. I thought it would be fun to surprise you. That's a kind of a big milk carton, isn't it? Look at that. So there's one that comes in this one, and then there's a couple that come in this. I think there might be five kittens. Yeah, I'm not sure.
That was so funny.
The gold one. I like the glasses. Now, be sure to stay till the very end of the lesson because we're going to open both of these to see which ones we got. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're first going to draw our little kitty's eyes. We're going to draw 2 circles towards the top of our paper. So I'm going to draw one circle about this size. And then I'm going to draw another one right next to it. About that size. Yeah. Now, let's draw 2 ovals at the very top, and this is for the pupil of our cat's eyes. I like your little eyes. Okay, and then we're gonna color in the pupil, but leave a little white dot inside towards the top for the highlight in our kitty's eyes, so they look shiny. Now at the very bottom, let's draw a curve, and we don't want to draw it too big. This is for the bottom of our little kitten's eyelids. Yes, good job, Hadley. Okay, now we can draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a little curve on the outside of each eye. Good. Now let's draw our little nose. We're going to draw a small V in between the eyes and then connect the top so it looks like an upside down triangle. Then we're going to draw a line down for our mouth, and we're going to draw a curve that goes out to the right and also out to the left. It's a simple way to draw a little kitten's mouth. Then we're going to draw her tongue sticking out. We're going to draw a little U shape, and we could draw a line right down the middle. You did it! We did our little kitten's face. She looks really cute. Now let's draw her head. We're first going to draw her ears, or the middle of her ears. So we're going to draw right above her head. We're going to draw, watch this, a little box. Does that look funny?
Yeah.
It looks like a square U shape. That's for the in between her ears. Then we're going to draw the outside of her ear and also start her body. So we're going to draw a curve that comes down like that. And we're going to stop. Look at this. We're stopping right at the bottom of her mouth. Good. And do the same thing on the other side.
Chubby kitty.
Yeah, chubby kitty. Now up here, let's draw the inside of her ears. We're going to draw a line. Yes, and then let's draw the inside of her ear. We're going to draw a curve that matches the outside of her ear and then connect back in. And we'll do the same, repeat those same steps on the right side. There's her ears. All right, we can draw, also, let's draw a U right here for the stripe that's going down the middle of her head. Okay, you know what? We're missing whiskers. Let's draw 2 lines right underneath her eyes on each side for her whiskers. Now let's draw the rest of her body. We're going to extend the line, come down a little further on each side. Good. Awesome. And then let's draw the in between her legs. We're going to draw an upside down U. It's going to come up like this and then back down. Then we're going to connect the bottom of her foot or her legs. We're going to draw a U shape or a J line that comes like that and connects. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. There's her legs. Now let's draw her arms, and she looks like she's begging. So we're going to draw a small U shape that comes up to her mouth like this and then back down. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Repeat that same shape. All right, good job, Hadley. We're missing a few more details. Let's draw little lines on each paw. So I'm drawing a little curve here, We'll draw a little curve on the other side. And then let's draw curves down here for the bottom of her paws or her back legs. And let's also draw her belly. So we're going to connect a line in between her arms. And then down here, let's draw a little circle. It comes around. Well, not really a circle, U shape. Goes around like that.
Or like a square U shape.
A square U shape, yeah. There you go. Kind of looks like she's holding a piece of toast or cheese.
Yeah.
Now let's give her stripes on the side of her body. We're going to draw 3 sideways U's. Look at this. Or it kind of look like the letter C. Like this on this side. And then we're also going to do the same thing over here on this side. And if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need to, if you need extra time, you can always pause the video to finish a step. All right, we're missing one last thing, and it's her little tail. We're going to draw a curve that comes out right here, right next to her stripes. Small little curve. And then we're going to draw another curve that comes back in, and then it's going to curve down like this and then connect into her body. Yeah. Now, right here on the tip of her tail, it's a different color. So we're going to draw 2 U shapes like that are connected together. We did it, Hadley. We finished drawing our last little kitty. Now, we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color her.
Yeah, we need to color. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, great job on coloring Lost Kitties. Well, what's the name of this cat?
Memes.
Memes, yeah. You can be super proud because Memes turned out perfect. And it's okay that our drawings look different, and it's okay if our art friends' drawings look different than ours, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yes, to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. We hope you guys are gonna practice drawing your little Lost Kitties too. Now, what do we need to still do?
Open.
Yeah, we need to open our milk cartons. Are you excited? Yes. All right, you open that one first, and then we'll open this one after.
Okay.
Let's see which one we got.
What?
Oh, it does. It's this one right here.
perfect.
It's called Chunks. Like he's throwing up chunks.
Cute.
I like it. Can I keep this one?
Yeah.
Look at that. He's got this little throw up coming out of his mouth. You could put it like right next to he's like throwing up on the pizza.
Like, nailed it.
Nailed it. All right, let's put this off to the side and let's open up the big one.
Jumbo.
I think it says right here, open here. So if you press in, maybe right like that, then you can pull that out.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh.
I think they're
Look
gonna
at-
be huge.
Oh, is each one a cat? Let's see.
Cute.
We could just pull this one out and then it slides down. Oh, that's
Oh,
cool.
that's
Okay, open the first one.
Oh!
Oh, which one is that?
That's
Francis.
Frank.
It's
That's not Francis.
Yeah. Oh no, it's got a bow. Oh, you know what? It might be a different checklist. All right. Okay, put this off to the side. Let's open the next one. This one is sitting inside of a fish bowl and it's eating a fish. All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Oh,
Brown. It's
brown.
brown. Brown.
Okay, I'm gonna open one too.
Okay.
Oh,
Yours
look,
is pink.
Switch me.
'Kay.
You open the pink one.
Pink. Okay.
Yeah, that one's sleeping. Mine is a cool one. Came with glasses. And he looks like he's really cool. We're sticking him in our Play-Doh. There we go. Oh, I like how he's just chilling right there in the clay. Okay, should we get the next one?
Yes.
I wonder why this one has a special wrap around it.
Maybe because
do it.
it's that wood.
Oh, it could be the gold one. Maybe it's super rare. And look at this. This one has like little cups of milk. And what else is in here? What is this?
There.
Oh, this is to keep all your Play-Doh fresh. I bet you put your Play-Doh in here. Yeah, and then it keeps it from drying out.
That's
pretty
cool.
cool, yeah. Oh, and I found the checklist. It's got sprinkles. It's got sprinkles. Oh, and this checklist does look
Shows
it
all
looks
of them.
different than our other one. Yeah. Look, you got napkin
Napkin.
and you got Professor Perkins. He's green on this one. You got Bully. That's the one that's sitting in the fish
Bully.
tank. And Eugene is the cool cat. gosh, look at that. It's sparkly and it looks like it's clear and it's sitting in a bowl.
Sitting in a bowl.
It looks like it's hiding or something. It's playing in the bowl. Look at its tail. It's sticking out.
Crazy.
It's really cool. Now we got the little, what was this one called? Chunks.
Chunks.
And what was this one? Perkins.
Perkins.
Bully.
Bully.
Professor Perkins. Eugene. And what was the gold one? We have all these. These are the special ones, series 2. There's Totes, Boops. Looks like he's falling over. And you got Olga sitting in the bowl and Sparkle Time. That's the one that's this one on the Sparkle Time. Did you have fun though?
Yes.
You promise?
Yeah.
We hope you guys had a lot of fun drawing memes with us and also watching us open up the little kitties. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.